Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to register or add a fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to register or add a fingerprint, tap on settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on security and privacy. Then here scroll down and click on biometrics and then tap on fingerprints. Now enter your lock screen password and to register click on continue. Now here tap on register and scan your finger. And after scanning click on done to save, and now the fingerprint is added. So that's how you can register or add a fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.